we have this plant carrier cage. So basically this aligns all the plants and it will grow. So this is a 4-tier terrier plant base. So basically you just stick it into the plants that you have, and then they will just grow up to this, and it will be really nice and organized, and it's super easy to install as well. I really like this, and it's made out of plastic so it won't harm the plants. So basically you just stick it in, and yeah, and you can just adjust it and change the length that you want or how wide you want it. You don't need to place these if you don't want to, but yeah, you can just take them out, and it's super easy to use. I really like it, and it just looks really nice and organized. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this product. Thank you so much. Bye.